In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text as a mask in Figma. Using text as a mask is a great way to fill letters with an image, gradient, or pattern so only what sits inside the shapes of your text is visible. It looks polished, it's quick to set up, and it stays fully editable. Start by creating your text. Press the T key or select the text tool, then type the word or phrase you want to showcase. For the cleanest results, increase the font size so the letters are nice and large, and choose a bold or heavy weight so there's enough surface area for your image to show through. Wide, simple letter forms tend to display details best. You can center the text on your canvas now or adjust alignment later. Next, add the image or graphic that will appear inside the text. You can import a photo, paste an image you copied, or use a graphic you already have in your file. If you want a gradient or a texture, you can add a rectangle and apply a gradient or pattern fill to it so it acts as your image layer. Make sure the image is big enough to cover the full text area. You can always resize it afterward. Now arrange the layers so the image sits above the text in the Layers panel. This order matters because Figma uses the top layer as the mask source. If the text is on top, the effect won't work as expected. So confirm the image is listed above and the text is directly underneath. Select both layers by holding Shift and clicking the image and then the text, either on the canvas or in the Layers panel. With both selected, apply the mask. You can right-click and choose Use as Mask or use the shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus M. On Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus M. Figma will create a mask group, and your image will immediately appear inside the outlines of the letters. After masking, everything stays editable. To change what part of the image shows through the text, select the image inside the mask group and move or scale it. To tweak the overall size, resize the text or the entire group. You can also change the font or weight at any time, and the mask will update automatically. If something doesn't look right, check that the image layer remains above the text inside the group. That's it. With just a few adjustments, you get a bold, customizable text effect that's perfect for headers, thumbnails, and social graphics.